Hi, I will show you how to use fisheye camera on Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. First, we Shift A and add camera. On the scenes collection, click on the new camera logo. Go to camera POV by go to view and active camera. Lock it into camera to view so we can move the camera from our perspective. On the camera, we change the lens type from perspective into panoramic. And I will choose fisheye solid. For now, we might not see any difference here, but if we go to viewport display, the fisheye would be activated. And here's a little tips. The more you decrease the number of the lens, the more convex your fisheye would be. And it also happens vice versa. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!